this cheesecake slime seems to be right.
And guess what? We found a secret slime. It was hiding in the back. But
we're gonna put this in the video.
Guys, I actually messed it up because we didn't like the paper.
Piece that, for the cornstarch to make this look on it. So I'm just gonna spread it around, I guess. I don't know what to do with this now.
Wait, maybe we can find something with holes.
Yeah, that's gonna work.
Okay.
Let's just do it.
Yeah, first, I'm
just gonna do it.
Wait, none?
Yeah, I'm just gonna do it, I guess. It doesn't really matter. Whatever way, I'm good with.
Okay, we
so
can't
you
add
can decorate this way however you want. It doesn't really matter. It's just your choice. I'm just gonna make it all like this. I'm just gonna do it. Just do whatever. So here's how it works.
If you want to see inside the slime, we can go in. Come on, guys.
Leo's top.
You saw it? That was so cool, guys.
Okay, so here's how I got my look. I think it's real cute. It might not have the cornstarch, but it's still okay.
Oh, you see that, guys? It's so amazing.
So yeah, I'm just gonna go in now.
Oh, it evolved. Okay, I gotta put them back in.
Got the blueberry. Yeah, let's just take them out.
We can add it when we're done mixing, right? Okay, guys. Can I go in and feel it too? Okay.
Okay.
Hallelujah.
Feel.
Hallelujah. 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 Hallelujah.
Okay, I'm gonna move this now. Okay.
Oh.
I don't know what keeps happening. Everything keeps rolling away.
Rolling away. Rolling away. Rolling away. Rolling away. Rolling away.
Well, I think it looks. I think it feels super nice and
Like it looks like cake batter when you mix it right now. Right?
this is a lot of slime, like a lot of it. I'm just gonna add some of them.
Okay, she's changing her look.
Blueberries.
Blueberry. Now we can add the cornstarch now, right?
Yeah, I guess alright.
Yeah, I don't care. Let me pass you the scissors.
I got it. Hey,
Everything keep on falling.
I don't know why today.
It's
just
bad luck. We
everything
need to pay off that, guys. Remember
Leo,
to.
bad luck doesn't exist.
Because
Leo, he's getting slime, but it's gonna be a while.
and
Mine
Christmas
just
we
came
will see
earlier.
y'all again.
Oh,
Huh?
it's okay, Leo. It's just a little dot.
These are just like butter slime, right?
I don't think so. Well, I actually kind of do.
Now
Leo, can you stop?
Oh, flour flying off. Okay, but we gotta do the mystery slime.
No, it's not a mystery.
Man, they got us this slime and we didn't order it.
They gave us a free slime, so I'm gonna put this slime
Kawaii
up.
company.
Leo, just stop, okay?
Okay. Okay, she got
This.
that up.
I'm going to be putting the 2 containers it had for the clay
Because
and this cheesecake for the clay
Can I
and the
have a
slime.
piece?
So I'm going to trying to get this all in, no matter what. Okay, this is just.
okay, let me put that down.
Okay, I'm going to try to do these.
This is kind of hard, guys. When you get it, you have to put it in both of them.
Yeah, because if you put in one, that's going to be leaking out probably. I'm not going to want that.
Okay,
I'd
guys.
rather put
This
it.
looks like a sandy one.
I
What
don't know.
eyeballs?
I actually don't know what kind of it is, but it's a Halloween themed slime. It has eyeballs and these cute little sprinkles and stars. I think it's very lovely on the color, and I really like this. So here's how it looks. It still shows the heart.
And with some sprinkles. Can I feel it?
It smells like a lemon.
Oh.
Hey, look, a smile.
Look, guys.
A
The
smile.
heart is alive.
There's a little smile coming out.
That means it's alive, right?
I don't think so. They just made the smile. See?
I smell like
still
sour lemon. Oh,
That's
so
what I
that's
said.
smooth.
Well, that's because it's
Oh, actually, it feels sandy, actually.
Oh,
Just look.
this one's a cloud slime.
Again?
Yeah, it's another cloud. How many? Okay, I seem to be getting 2 clouds.
Good thing we're not dropping nothing else.
There's so much fun little eyeballs in this. Look.
Actually, it feels so
Yeah.
smooth.
Here's that. Look, if you look closely here, you can see one of the eyeballs. Here, let me try to get. Here's one of the little eyeballs that I had inside the slime.
And they actually made this little cute mouth.
Yeah, there was a mouth look on it. There was this like little curvy sprinkle and another little sprinkle. It was on it and it looked like a smile that was going on with the slime. So yeah, that was weird.
It looks in all the eyeballs, like their eyes everywhere in one mouth.
Like if it was a monster.
A monster horror, you gotta go for your brain. But it was fun, actually. It was very smooth. Let me add that piece back. Ouch.
I really liked this cloud slime.
And so we done. Or you want to still go, Kim, on the shelf?
Just very.
Boop.
Okay, so here is the cloud.
Hey, Kim, I should keep that little thing. Looks like the squid. Remember that squid toy? Remember that?
No, I do not, but you can go get it. You wanna go?
No, we sold it. Oh, it's toy.
I have a squirrel.
Oh, yeah, remember I used yours?
Yeah, it was a rainbow one.
Yeah.
So here was this little fun cloud slime.
Can I have time playing with it?
Here, I'll give you a piece.
I was quiet.
I can't believe.
Oh, I
that they
really
gave
like
me
that
this
sour
slime.
smell.
I can't believe they gave me the slime, but I really liked it. This little Halloween themed slime and the little sprinkles and everything about it. And it was a perfectly good cloud slime. And this was just amazing. I loved this. You really have got to try this Kawaii slime company and order these because they are amazing to play with. And you can have fun with these slimes.
See you next
To
one.
order. So,
Bye.